Hello lovely listeners, it's Anthony here. And today I've got a story that will make you wince, giggle, and then breathe a huge sigh of relief because we've all been there. Our brave caller was delivering a speech at his brother's wedding. Picture him at the mic, glass in hand, ready to shine. Then he quips, "Actually, my brother's been cheating on his wife." The room freezes crickets, that sinking feeling sets in. Ouch. First off, friend, I feel you. Embarrassment is like a sudden electric shock straight to the heart. You go from, "I've got this," to "Why did I open my mouth?" in a split second. Psychologists tell us that our brains amplify social mistakes because we are wired for belonging. When the audience shuts down, our inner critic roars, "See, you're a failure." But don't let that voice take over. Step 1. Own it. A quick, genuine apology. "I'm so sorry, that was a terrible joke," breaks the tension faster than anything else. No long speeches. No half-hearted laugh. Just honesty, and then move on. Science shows that when we own our slip-ups, people start to forgive and even respect us more for our humility. Step 2. Pivot to positivity. Bring the focus back to your brother's best qualities. Share a sweet anecdote, maybe the time he had you study all night for finals, or how he still calls you every Sunday. This simple shift replaces that negative moment with warmth. Your audience wants to celebrate the love in the room, so give them something uplifting to hang on to. Step 3. Repair offline. After the reception, find a quiet moment with your brother and his new spouse. A sincere one-on-one apology, maybe over a cup of coffee or during a walk, shows you care about their feeling. You are not trying to justify the joke, just acknowledging you messed up and you want to make it right. Here's a life hack from social psychology. When you apologize, I could just repeat more for by problem. Start with genuine praise. "I admire how you've always been there for me." Then insert your apology. "I'm sorry for that awful joke," and end with a positive commitment. "I promise to toast you properly next time." This frames your regret between two affirmations, making it easier for everyone to accept. And remember, listeners, perfection is a myth. What matters is what you do after you trip. Humor can heal, but timing is everything. Next time you're tempted to crack a wild joke, ask yourself, is this the moment? If not, save it for brunch with close friends. To our caller, you've shown courage by owning your story and seeking advice. The wedding roast might have stalled, but your comeback can be brilliant. Embrace the lesson, laugh at yourself, and step up your toes game. Because in the end, every great speech has a hiccup, and it's how you recover that steals the show. Thanks for listening to Anthony Knows. No judgment, your story matters.